son of a bitch. Literally pressed pause and he just went, boof! Got both bollocks at the same time. Oh. Hello, Internet. You're a dickhead. What a knob. Back at Sam's. Sam's eating a knick-knack. Today we've got the van, and you remember at the start of the last video when I said we were going to be doing this? We're going to start notching out the side. Just going to edit, because at the start of the last video I said cut. Yeah, I was like, yeah, we're going to be notching out the side and welding things in, and then we didn't. Yeah. Did it on the floor, and yet no one noticed. So, today we're going to be notching the sides out and actually putting metal in. It's going to be a good day. Place it down quietly, because now I've got a fucking headache.
Don't.
Hey Sam.
No.
Sam.
No.
Sam.
Oh, you be fucking grounded.
Hadouken!
Pretty good. Sam spending his time kind of just getting through this. I'm going to end up finish painting this door. So I've stripped the door down. Might put the window up, not really sure yet. Got all the trim bits over here. And now I'm going to clean it and then scuff it all up, mask off bits and bobs around it, and then paint it.
All I got is questions. I ain't ever hold no answers. Bet you sick of hearing lessons from a dude who got no handle. Yeah, all I got is questions. I never hold no answers. Bet you sick of hearing lessons from a dude who got no handle.
Quick update on where we are at this point. So, you can see that the new primer, which is the highboard stuff, is a slightly lighter colour than the old primer. Don't know if that will matter. I might have to do the whole thing again in high build, which would be pretty annoying. I stopped filming because I found when I put this on, I could see so many sandpaper marks in the paint. So I ended up having to go over it quite a few times, sand it back, fill it, and just make sure that there was absolutely no chance it could come through the actual paint. But what the lighter colour has done is highlighted things like this. Little annoying stone chips that need to be filled. Otherwise they're going to stand out. Which is great.
Show this cold piece of got bad. Bojack probably my dad. From all the ways that I act, think I should hang up my hat. Like I said 2 albums back, instead of pushing this crap like it belonged with the mass and not all just for myself. I'd be selfish as hell. I throw myself in a cell just to never share me with nobody else. That be narcissistic. I just live in my hell. Somebody help.
The bit Sam was just cutting out was where there was an interior light in here. However, obviously, because this beam ends here and this one ends here, we need to go through there, which is going to make that right in the way. However, there will be a nice little bit in the middle we can weld to. I say we, I can't weld. Cole, that's a weld. I'm good at this. Hang on, I'll fill it in. It's alright, no one's judging you for the fact that it doesn't fit.
What?
Does it fit?
Yeah, I just got, because it's got weld on that side, I just need it.
Ah. I love this machine. You just flick a switch, turn the water on, flick another switch. The blade should go, but it's not. Oh, there, oh. There it goes. Bada bing, bada bum. Are you proud of yourself?
Yeah.
Just off camera, he just sacked at me. Son of a bitch. Literally pressed pause and he just went, boof! Got both bollocks at the same time. Oh. What?
Good, mate.
Yeah, no, I don't feel like I'm going to throw up at all.
Where's that fucking hammer?
Look at you. Honestly, if you think for a second I'm not going to get you back.
That was payback for when you got me.
Yeah. Yeah, it's on, bitch. Right, let's try again. If you hit me in the spuds, I'm going to break your spine. Oh, so, frame number 1 the whole way around is complete. Sam has been very good, and I swear to God, don't fucking hit me again. Oh, don't, I'm so scared. Actually managed to do a little thing, so I can still get to the roof rack bolts. And we haven't actually lost any height at all, so I can just nearly get 315s tall, which will be good. And then done choppy there and there. So even though we've been ultra careful, not sure how, there's an outward bulging dent that's now going to need to be hammered in, filled and painted. Goodie. I found the ultimate dent fixing tool. Look at it. Who was it? There. It's just perfect. I've just unlocked car bodywork. Pay me. Perfect. Now a couple of minutes ago in this video, earlier on in the day for me, Sam got me with a sack tap. I haven't got him back yet, so I need to set up the camera and tripod and hide it somewhere so he can't see that I'm filming, and then just smash him in the nuts. That'll do, boy.
I'll get you back home.
Huh?
I'll get you back home.
Yeah, just about. Well, at least the marks. Right, I'm going to try and keep myself busy in the back of the van until he starts walking up behind me. I'm just going to bash him in the spuds. Not a lot here to be busy with though. Just going to move things around. Right you are, but which one do we need?
Bench.
Bench?
Yeah.
Yes! Yeah! Oh. Revenge! I felt a little bit guilty actually.
Don't worry, I'm just praying to make up.
Oh, the veins in your face is so good.
Oh.
You know what the best bit is? Look between my seats in the van. Yes! We're even.
You're such a.
That's kind of the end of it for this week, really. I got Sam back, so I'm pretty happy. But let's have a look at the work. Floor's now complete. Well, we're going to put a few braces in between these ones for obvious reasons. We need to make sure we've got access to the fuel pump, and these welds need to be ground down a bit flatter. And now we've got a ladder going up each side, which is pretty cool. Obviously it's going to take a little while longer to do the sides than what it was going to do the floor, but we're getting there. Hopefully next time we'll be able to get the sides finished at the very least, because we're sort of doing one at a time. So like that one over, that one over, that one over, that one over kind of thing. Let's have a look around the side of the van. Interestingly, this is all the old primer. This is the cheap stuff that I got for like 5-6 quid a can, and you can see just how kind of patchy it's come up as primer. This has all been sanded back the exact same, all been treated the exact same. Now this stuff over here was 9 quid a can from a body shop, and honestly I could leave that like that. I'm so impressed with how that's come out. It's so flat and so smooth. I mean, yeah, it's more expensive, but look at the difference. That's mad. I'm fucking trusting you. If you get me the bollocks again, have fun, don't do drugs.